Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative using the chain rule, and we have rational functions, i.e. fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as x minus 2 to the negative 1. And then we're going to take the derivative of this using the chain rule. So that would be the derivative of y equals negative 1 times x minus 2, and negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Then you multiply the derivative of the inner function. So the inner function is going to be 1. And basically what you get, you're going to get negative 1 times x minus 2 to the negative 2, which equals negative 1 over x minus 2 squared. And the next one's very similar. We have this 1 here. So we're just going to, this is to the first power, so just bring him up and multiply by 1. And that would change to t squared plus 3t minus 1 to the negative 1. And then we're going to take the derivative using the chain rule. So that's going to be negative 1 times t squared plus 3t minus 1. And this would end up being negative 2 because you subtract 1. Then multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. And so basically, I'm going to write this as negative 1 times 2t plus 3 over t squared plus 3t minus 1 squared. And basically, you don't need this 1 here. Just take that 1 out. Okay. The next one is this one. So I'm just going to write this as t minus 3, because 1 squared is just 2. So I'm just going to bring him up here. That's going to be to the negative 1 squared, which just gives you t minus 3 to the negative 2. Now we're going to take this. So that's the rewrite. Take the derivative of f. So that's going to be negative 2 times t minus 3 to the negative 3 times the derivative of the inner function, which is just 1. So what you're going to get is negative 2 over t minus 3 cubed. And our last one is this one. So again, I'm just going to move him up, write him as a negative exponent, so that's going to be negative 5 times t plus 3 to the negative 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative of y. So that's going to be negative 3 times negative 5 is 15 times t plus 3. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. And our final answer would be 15 over t plus 3 to the 4th power. Now my next video involves rationals with square roots. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.